Hi Engineering Janta, I am Vaibhav Shukla and today we'll be understanding how students can earn money for themselves in college. And the reason I'm making this video, I generally don't make videos of this type. The reason I'm making this video is because a lot of students had messaged my team that they genuinely wanted some money, they genuinely wanted to earn some money in college because they had some concerns at family, at their college. They wanted to pay their fee by their own money. And interestingly, the bigger concern for me was that a lot of students were falling prey to some Ponzi schemes, some scams which are not good for them for their future. And me being a mentor has a responsibility that I should secure the future of this country in a manner where they do not fall prey to such schemes, and I can do that to the extent that I feel I can impact, and to the extent that I feel that I can correct and help students, I'll go to that extent. Fine. So that is the reason that I'm building this video. So if you're somebody who needs some money or who wants to earn some money in college, this video is for you. You can go ahead with this video. Fine. So I'll straight away dive in deep and let's first of all understand why you should earn in college. Fine. It is a very good thing if you can start earning from the college itself, because most of the people are from the engineering or tech background, and in the era that we are into right now where technology is paramount, जहाँ पर skills का बहुत बोलबाला है, why not to earn some money for yourself, isn't it? So first is that you gain financial independence. That doesn't mean, I'm being very clear, that doesn't mean that it gives you right to disrespect your teachers or your parents. Not at all. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. This is a responsibility. Fine. When nobody wakes you up, fine, when nobody opens the door for you, when nobody is waiting for you at home, you're surviving by your own. A day will come very soon when you will pass out from the college, और ऐसा दिन आएगा जब कोई दरवाजा नहीं खोलेगा, कोई इंतजार नहीं करेगा तुम्हारा घर पे, तुम खुद दरवाजा खोलोगे, खुद जाके बिस्तर बिछाओगे, खुद जाके खाना बनाओगे. At that point of time, remember, what do you call it, freedom or loneliness? Fine. So remember that freedom that you are getting is actually a responsibility. This financial independence that you are trying to get here is a responsibility. Fine. So this responsibility, when it comes to financial independence, it allows you to think in multiple forms. It helps you to pursue your passions. It helps you to explore domains. It helps you to upskill yourself without giving a financial or monetary burden to your parents. Fine. Secondly, which is more important than this financial independence, this is least important for you. Remember, right now as a student, it is least important for you. You should focus more on knowledge. So here you have real world experience when you try a few things which are actually impacting the world. Fine. So when you'll try earning money by legitimate ways, you'll have some real world experience, some street smartness. Fine. हर चीज किताबों में नहीं मिलती. A few things, and most of the things that teach you the life, fine, they are outside the books. Fine. Also, if you're doing some good skills and work and projects, it will enhance your resume and you can explore some career options early. Fine. So this is the reason that you should try earning some money in college, but through legitimate ways only. No Ponzi schemes, no cryptocurrency, nothing. Stop such things. Fine. Do not do things like stock trading or cryptocurrencies. I know a few people will come and debate, no, this is also legitimate, but let me tell you, those things require a lot of luck, a lot of practice, a lot of wastage of time. Don't do that. Learn some skills that can actually help you in real world to build something, to create impact. Fine. So now let's see which skills are those. So these are the primary skills and I'll explain what exactly you have to do. So wait for a minute. You stay till the end, you will have complete clarity how you can earn. Fine. So one is web development, the top skill, front end, back end, full stack. सीख लो, develop websites for people, develop web pages for people, develop various full stack projects for people. Fine. Also graphic design and video editing. This is also a very important and very relevant skill for the market. Pardon for my health because I'm not at my peak health condition. Fine. सो यार थोड़ी बहुत खांसी कर दूं तो माफ कर देना, ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग बैक, graphic design, video editing, digital marketing, UI UX design, and lastly AI ML and DL, because nowadays a lot of data analysis, see, a lot of data analysis and data science requires a lot of AI ML and DL. Fine, so you can learn this skill. UI and UX design, you can build various UIs, various user experiences for different websites, apps, and this is actually a good paying skill for freelance projects. For freelance projects, digital marketing is a big deal. Fine, you get a lot of gigs in digital marketing. Now what is gig, what is all this, I'll explain, don't worry. Graphic design, video editing, web development, where you are developing something on front end portion of a website or an app, or on back end, or full stack, you're encompassing developer. Fine, so this can help you out, and these are some real world skill. So iski taraf jao. Now if I go further, where to learn these skills? Very simple answer. Free resources are YouTube and Medium. Now this is a blog website. Fine, people write blogs here, so you can read and learn a few things. Documentations are available for various frameworks, so you can read that. Now YouTube, this is a gold mine. Fine, we are also building a few things for you, and they are in pipeline, so we're thinking of few things. But alongside that, a lot of things are available for free on YouTube, और free में भी धूमधाम से तैयारी होती है. So free is a very good place if you want to do it in free. YouTube, best place to go. But the problem with free is that usually it is not structured. Usually you don't have perfect structures for it. So in that case, I would tell you that go ahead for paid resources as well. Fine, paid resources can be equally helpful, but only if you can afford them. Now there is PrepInsta Prime, where you can upskill yourself. There is Udemy, there is LinkedIn Learning, various platforms. Fine, if you're somebody who wants to enroll at PrepInsta Prime and you're struggling financially, let me help you out. This is a code Shukla10, fine, Shukla10, and this code will help you out. This code will give you an edge, a discount when you apply for the subscription. Fine, so this would be super helpful for you. Fine, now let's go ahead. Now freelancing, that is what you have to do to earn some money in college. A lot of you would have heard this term freelancing. A lot of you might not be aware of it. So what is it? I'll explain you. Freelancing is basically doing projects for people where you are a single person, not a company, where you're a single person doing projects, delivering them single-handedly and getting some money for the project. So project to project basis, you get money. Fine, you're not a specific company, you're a single person who is being approached for a work, you take money for it and you simply deliver the project. So this is freelancing. Fine, you have to do this. Now first thing you should do is identify your skill and niche, where you can actually perform good work, where you can actually deliver some good products. Figure that out. Fine, once you figure that skill out, there are platforms like Fiverr, you have Upwork, you have Freelancer. Fine, so on these platforms you build your profile, and once you build your profile, what you should do is LinkedIn and social media networking should be done from your end. You put up a few posts on LinkedIn, on social media, that you're trying to be a freelancer, you'll deliver some free projects, you'll deliver some free projects initially. Now this is a big catch. Initially you have to do some gigs for free. Gig is basically the work that you get, the project that you get on freelancing websites that you can deliver and you can get money. Fine, that is called gig. So the work or the gig that you're getting, initial gigs you'll have to do for free. Initially you'll have to work for free for 1 or 2 projects. Fine, so once you do that, you present that on LinkedIn, on your GitHub profile, that you have done this and you've delivered and what was the customer feedback. All that can be shared, and once it is done, important thing is start small. These are very important freelancing tips that I'm giving you. Start with small beginner friendly projects. I had myself done freelancing in my college, so on the basis of that I am telling you, take beginner friendly projects immediately. Do not dive it to complex projects initially. are not good for you, because you will not be able to deliver quality and then you will suffer. Your rating would go down and you will not get further gigs. So do some free gigs, start with beginner friendly projects, deliver quality work. First of all, take some extra days. Already, if somebody is asking you in 10 days, ask them that I'll deliver in 12 days, but I'll deliver a wonderful product, a very good product in terms of quality. So deliver quality work, meet the deadlines that are being asked to you, and build strong client relationship. Fine. With client, your relationship should be such a relationship, such strong relationship, that the client gives you proper reviews, it addresses you well, the client particularly boosts your score, it gives you better reviews, he refers you to other people. Fine. So client relationship is very, very important in freelancing. Henceforth, this is a way where you can actually start and try figuring out things yourself, where reviewer or the customer who is giving you the project, if he gives good reviews, you'll land up at good places. Fine. Now, the last or the final tips: be consistent, be patient, sabr rakhna. Fine. Patience is very, very important in freelancing. You might not get initial projects, shuru mein hi projects nahi mil jayenge. There is a possibility that you might not get projects at all. Fine. Initially, keep doing some good work, keep showing good work on LinkedIn, on various other platforms, and then keep the path of consistency, fine, on the track. Keep yourself on the track, keep yourself consistent in this, that keep on doing some free projects that you will get. So keep on doing some free projects and then start charging slowly, and you will have a wonderful value delivered to you. Focus on learning. This is important. As a college student, most of the focus of yours should be here, to learn few things, to learn the cutting edge technology, to do some good work and to earn some money is a secondary portion. Fine. Basic is learning, deliver some value, make a name for yourself, get known, because this will not just help you earn some money, it will also open your potential doors for further employment at good companies. Now, whatever good work you do and you show at LinkedIn, recruiters are looking for such people who can do good work. Fine. So deliver some value, gather some good customer reviews, focus on learning, and you will do wonders in your life. Fine. So now follow us on all the social media handles if you like this video, because there we post a lot of updates. Alongside that, go ahead, follow my social media handle, that is Instagram, where you can directly connect to me for any query. Shuklaji Speaks is the handle. You can straight away go and check that out. Alongside that, whatever good you felt that this video had, or whatever doubt you had from your end, go ahead, comment below this video, because top 3 comments might stand a chance to win PrepInsta Prime subscription for free. So do not miss out on that chance. And this is my social media handle, Shuklaji Speaks. You can scan this QR code if you want to, and then you can straight away land up at my Instagram page, where you can directly connect to me. You can write messages to me and I'll answer your queries. Fine. Apart from this, whatever good you learned, fine, go ahead, spread it to the masses. Spread it to the people who need this information, your juniors, your seniors, your friends. Keep on doing good work. That's all. Keep on doing good work. Fine. Good will come back to you always. Without any expectation, just give good to the others. Universe will give back to you in multiplied forms. Fine. So without any expectation, अच्छा करते चलो यार, ठीक है? And as an individual, I am not a perfect human being. Nobody is. So I might have some bad qualities or some avguns that you feel. तो वो अवगुण यहीं छोड़ देना. The good things, the gunas that you like, take them with yourself. Fine. And at that note, I'll end for today. We'll meet you soon with another interesting video. Thank you.